chocolate. It's gonna be so yummy. I just want to buy a chocolate right now. It's gonna be so yummy. It's gonna be so big as well. So let's start making. So I got these brown. Because that's the real color of the chocolate. To make the chocolate I'm gonna use brown. First I'm gonna make a big thing and then I'm gonna start. Okay, one's in here. Now I'm gonna make some lines with this. This way. Then I'm gonna make a line going this way. Then I'm gonna make a line going this way. Chocolate. Now I'm gonna do something black. Now I'm choose a little black. Shape of the light. So now I'm gonna color it. So yummy, I got color. So of course the chocolate is brown. I am gonna be making some ice cream. You all love ice cream. I can see it in your mind. My sister made chocolate. Let's go. Oh, I'm just gonna color it all red. Guys, it's so good. I know mine is a little. Yeah. and just have 2 colors.
Yeah. Okay, guys, this might take me some time, so I need something.
Okay, guys. Bye. I'll see you later.